The iPad. The social context of the iPad's creation. The multinational corporation Apple started creating the iPad in 2002 and first released it in 2010. This was a time of huge technological advancements in regards to the Internet and its networks and mobility devices. In the 21st century, it is often considered that there is a gap in society between who uses these technologies. The generation of today is called the Generation Y. Generation Y are the digital citizens because they can use a range of devices with great ease compared to aging populations who sometimes struggle to take a grasp on these technologies. How does society shape the iPad? In 1993, Apple released the Message Pad, which was their first attempt of a handheld device. This device was not considered successful. In 2007, Steve Jobs launched the iPod Touch and iPhone, which was controlled by touch alone. This shows that society shaped the multi-touch capabilities of these devices because they wanted something that did not have poor handwriting recognition like the Message Pad. The iPad then continued to be shaped by society from here onwards. People in society seem to want a personal mobile device between a laptop and iPhone that conducted various tasks efficiently. Also, according to Terry, the Amazon Kindle and other e-readers already had a significant degree of market penetration, and this made Apple aware that in order for the tablet to be successful, they would need to implement an e-book function. Apple soon created the iPad, which is more intimate than a laptop and more capable than an iPhone. How has the iPad shaped society? The iPad has increased productivity and interactivity within society. However, it has also caused employment and interpersonal skills to decline. Productivity. Due to the increase in mobility devices, travel time is less likely to be approached by individuals as unproductive wasted time and more likely to be used productively for a range of both professional and personal activities. Thus, the iPad has increased productivity within society, allowing people to study or work during travel time. Interactivity. According to Elliott and Woolerton, the iPad has been used in educational learning because it is more interactive and interesting. The digital versions of traditional media forms such as textbooks and iPads have dynamic components. Furthermore, people can now consume traditional media platforms such as newspapers and books in interactive ways. Unemployment. The reality of implementing the iPad in education is the retirement of the whole generation of teachers who underpinned national education systems in the 1960s and 1970s, according to Rosby. Today, younger teachers who have grown up with this technology are more likely to be hired. Therefore, since Australia is an aging population, this will contribute to higher unemployment rates. Furthermore, in 2012, Fairfax Media Limited invited staff to sign up for a redundancy payout. As a result, this shows that as more newspapers and books go digital, individuals that were previously responsible for the printing of books and newspapers will become redundant. Decrease in interpersonal skills. Most people use the iPad for communication. The use of the iPad constantly for communication can affect the interpersonal skills of individuals in society because there is a decline of face-to-face communication. As a result, this does not contribute to the socio-emotional well-being of individuals completely. Furthermore, when individuals enter the workforce, they may then find it difficult to conduct meetings and presentations because they lack the interpersonal skills needed. How has the iPad influenced contemporary technology? Firstly, the iPad influenced a range of new applications designed specifically for the iPad. Also, after the iPad was launched by Apple, other tablets were soon seen in the marketplace. Furthermore, the iPad has influenced the creation of laptops and tablets in one. These devices have the same touchscreen capabilities as the iPad, but are differentiated because they are compatible with Microsoft Office products. Overall, the iPad has increased productivity and interactivity within society. However, it has further increased the gap between younger and older generations in regards to employment and has contributed to the decline of interpersonal skills.